It is a misfortune that our education system hasn't been able to catch up to the outside world. We are entering an era where there's not a lot of value to do what you were told. That's a job for algorithms and machines. Eventually, we'll create a new model of education for the 21st century instead of the one designed in 1835 by Thomas Babington Macaulay. The change is going to happen. We're here to make it happen faster. How are we doing it, you ask? We took all the learnings from our learning center and designed a long-term personalized path for each student. The main challenges we faced were the low attention span of students and slow learners. Therefore, we went with a set of interactive widgets like labeled graphics, activities, videos, games, sorting activities, flashcards, accordions, and GIFs instead of just having videos. Parents these days want their kids to have 21st century skills, so we've included puzzles, coding, and basic finance to our curriculum other than math, science, and social. We understand that the main goal of any student is to get good grades. Our exam prep page with just-a-minute summary videos, revision notes, textbook solutions, and practice questions help a ton. We also implemented a create-your-own test for unit tests or quarterly preparation and mistake buckets to help avoid making the same mistakes. Finding what drives the student has started becoming extremely important for a content life. Parents have become so focused about getting kids into a college that they forget to prepare them for what happens after college. Kids have gained immensely exploring career paths and content of 70 careers with the help of teachers who constantly groom kids to master their favorite careers. Online education has not been able to make a dent due to the lack of one-on-one communication. Our mentorship program, based on interests, aims, skills, and performance of every student, has started creating wonders. The best young graphic designers, coders, or chefs from top schools across the country are collaborating under the guidance of our mentors to create academic and life goals and achieve each objective. Our algorithms learn everything about the student as the student learns from us. A detailed performance analysis helps us provide the right content at the right time and in the right form to each student. Students can play games, redeem stuff off the portal, and collect reward cards that get shipped at the end of the year to motivate and engage them. And finally, we noticed that several students were spending a considerable amount of time studying but were unable to get good grades. We taught kids who were amazing at science but couldn't add basic fractions. We identify all their gaps using adaptive gap tests and fill these gaps to make them conceptually strong and develop them holistically. Bolt. Don't just study for exams. Learn for life.